Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get story mode on TikTok. Open up the App Store. Here search TikTok. Click to open the app. Check if you have the updated version of the app. Open the settings on the phone. Go into General, click on iPhone Storage. Open the TikTok app. Click to offload the app. Then open the TikTok app. Click to upload a story. Go into text, click to cancel. Upload your story. Go back and discard the recording. Click on Story to upload a photo or video here. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.